Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now you have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet. Now let's enter the software info because we are waiting for the build number, and as you can see it is right here. So all we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, the developer mode has been enabled, so we can go back to the general settings, and after scrolling down again, we've got developer options right under the About Tablet, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can stay awake, so the screen will never sleep while charging. For example, we can, we can enable wireless display certification. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth. We can show surface updates or show layout bounds. We can force RTL layout direction. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, obviously, just like in all other options, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again. And as you can see, it is disabled. What's more, you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the Bluetooth audio sample rate. So all you have to do is simply tap on it, and here you've got much more advanced options. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on this switcher right at the very top of the list. Just tap on it, and as you can see, all of those options are disabled actually. So after getting back, you can also see that they disappear from the general settings, and of course, no worries, if you'd like to customize them again, then just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.